Well, the hydrangeas are just coming into bloom. I love it when they look this fresh. But let's step through the hydrangea bed and see what's behind. Step over the heather that blooms in the winter and into this area. California lilac in the background. It's just coming into bloom. We got snowball viburnum beginning to fade. And then we have a wild patch of lamb's ears that gets bigger every year and blends in with the foxglove. Now the foxglove, again, we nip in the bud right here so that it gets bushier down below. Then we have pass a small hydrangea, and in amongst the goatweed back there, which spreads like crazy but is easy to control and very pretty, there is 2 stands of phlox. There's a light green phlox. There's a dark green phlox. They bloom different colors. I think one's purple, one's white. And in the beginning of June, they start to suffer from fungus. It's inevitable. They are prone. Phlox is prone to fungus. So we have our fungicide here. Defender. This is mixed up from a concentrate, so it ends up being very cheap. And the only thing you need to know is that it's always best to treat fungus before you see it. So if you know it's coming, be preemptive. Start spraying at the bottom. So here's one over here. And oh, of course the fungicide's not going to cooperate. Oh, here we are. Soak the plant. Make sure every leaf is wet. Okay, and get behind it. And repeat in 2 weeks. And you may be out of the woods. No fungus killing your phlox when it's just about to bloom. That's happened to me before. It's pretty common, at least in Vancouver. So soak it. In fact, if you buy it in the concentrate bottle, you can put it in a pump-up Hudson sprayer and do these, do your roses. What else are prone? Well, particularly phlox and roses. And soak both till the leaves are dripping. All right, till next time.